Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Roads, Preston Tinsong, has directed his officers to explore the possibility of constructing a Bailey Bridge from an alternate route so that heavy commercial vehicles can come to Shillong directly. The government had restricted the movement of heavy vehicle on the dam that was recently repaired at a total cost of 20 crore rupees. While the completion of the alternative bridge may take years, Tinsong said that he has already directed the PWD chief engineer to explore if any temporary Bailey Bridge can be constructed for movement of commercially heavy loaded vehicles within 5 to 6 months.
We have already handed over to NSCL, but now from the state government also, I've instructed Chief Engineer Road to work out the possibility if we can. Maybe if we construct within 5 months, 6 months, if we can get the temporary alternate bridge, we will go ahead with that.